Hello again, everybody. Welcome to the Parc des Princes, wonderful stadium here in Paris. Martin Tyler here along with Alan Smith. The match has so much potential and kick-off is just moments away. It's PSG against Real Madrid.
Yeah, thanks, Martin. Well, we've got a couple of teams here that their strengths are attacking, no doubt about it. So I'm sure they'll be going at each other very quickly.
Today's main matchup, I think, you would say, is Neymar against Eden Hazard. What do you think about that, Alan?
Well, they play with their heads up, don't they? They know exactly where the opposition is and where their teammates are to make those little quick-fire passes.
Paris Saint Germain, this is their lineup. Keylor Navas in goal. Bernat plays alongside Thomas Meunier in the full-back positions. Marco Verratti plays today with Id-Disa in central midfield. In attack, Edinson Cavani partners up with Mauro Icardi. This is the Real Madrid lineup. Thibaut Courtois starts in goal. Marcelo starts with Carvajal in the full-back positions. Luka Modric starts with Toni Kroos in the centre of the park. Karim Benzema is the lone striker today. Well, we've waited for the action. It's starting now as Paris Saint Germain get the game underway. Well, Paris is a city, of course, known for its culture, its class, and the football team, Paris Saint Germain, do they have that culture and class?
Not only do they have class, I think it's that desire without the ball to really win it back quickly and give the ball to your talented players to go on and hurt the opposition.
Thiago Silva. Id-Disa Gay. Cavani! Off the keeper, back. Well, they've gone for it right from the off, and they've got their reward with an early opening goal here.
Oh, I always used to love scoring these type of goals when you're there first. It feels good, this.
And that's a goal well worth analysing again. Paris Saint Germain in front. Stopping the pass getting through with a good piece of anticipation. Gay. Mbappe. And they've spread it out wide here. Meunier's given it away. Gets his foot in there. Hazard. Marcelo. Sergio Ramos. Now Casemiro. Kroos. Here's a chance to just stretch the opposition with a bit of width. Mbappe. Cavani. Mauro Icardi. And it's out wide for Paris Saint Germain. Id-Disa taking on the defenders. Clever thought with the pass, but the execution was not good. Kroos. The attack has fizzled out here. Goal kick. Toni Kroos, Bale, Carvajal. Now a chance to get a bit of width into this attack. Now they can swing into attack, and he's got some help. Bale. He's aimed for the far post here. Fingertips over the bar by the goalkeeper. Saw the pass and dealt with it. A chance to whip it in here. Coming towards the near post is Bale. They're looking for it. That's a goal for Real Madrid.
Well, it was a decent move, and to get some space in a crowded penalty area.
Different angle on it here.
Great news for the manager, because I think he made a couple of changes there, and now they're back on level terms.
It is level. Both sides have scored here now. Trying to stretch the opposition, using the wider areas here. Gay. Id-Disa Gay. Verratti. Well, they're getting the ball forward. They need to do that. Well, they keep moving the ball here. Neymar. Well, they've got the opposition on the back foot with this break. They're coming at them with numbers. Neymar. Maybe a chance on the cross for Cavani. Well, it looked a chance. It's ended rather tamely as a goal kick. Verratti. Id-Disa Gay. It's good work, this, as they chase a go-ahead goal. Does he want to cross it now? He could. Verratti. Neymar. Verratti. He can cut it back now. Saved by the... They've scored! And they've gone into the lead. Undoubtedly deserved. They have been by far the superior side, and they really imposed their will on the opposition. Too good, really, for the defending, and the shot in the end far too good for the goalkeeper.
Oh, I always used to love scoring these type of goals when you're there first. It feels good, this.
Another angle on it here. It's Real Madrid who've gone behind here. That's fair play. He's got his body in there and he can protect the ball. Benzema the target. Well, it was a cross that he got in quickly, but he didn't really control. Neymar. Rafael Varane. Toni Kroos. They had a 5-year plan at Paris Saint Germain, which was up at the end of the 15-16 season. Of course, they're so dominant in their own country, can't quite make that final step into the elite winners' enclosure, if you like, in Europe.
No, but it takes time, doesn't it? We've seen that with Manchester City, but with the money behind them, it's not going to be too long, I think, until we see them in a European final, perhaps lifting it.
And that's headed away for a throw. Modric. Marcelo. Could get his cross in now. Modric. Defenders unsure. Hazard definitely sure. Could be possibilities. Paris Saint Germain alert, trying to get everybody in the right place to defend the corner. And the board has gone up to indicate 3 added minutes. He heads it out of play, and it will be a throw in. Kroos. Toni Kroos. Good width in the attack here, looking for a cross at the end of it. Well, this is half-time, that's the whistle, and 2-1 is the score at this stage.
Anaïs, le plus tendre des parfums.
Si chiama Zucchetti la libertà di fare con l'acqua tutto ciò che ti dà.
Referee blows, and we're off for the second half. Carvajal. Toni Kroos. Benzema. It's good work here in terms of possession. Can they find the final pass? Gay. Thomas Meunier. Id-Disa Gay. Here's Icardi. Not good from PSG in possession. Can find some space here on the flanks. His teammates have recognised the potential of this attack. Kroos. Saw it coming, cut it out, good work. The referee quite happy for Paris Saint Germain to play on, he's waving them on. Referee's awarded the free kick for Paris Saint Germain. Verratti. Gay. Did well, stuck out a foot and cut off the pass. Toni Kroos. Carvajal. Kroos. Neymar. Verratti. Cavani. Ball in behind from Edinson Cavani. Neymar can go on here. It's a good piece of defending to stop the supply into the centre. Neymar on the set piece, the corner. And now the shot! And that ball belongs to the goalkeeper. Well, we're two-thirds of the way through the 90 minutes, half an hour to go. Karim Benzema. And here they are, Real on the attack again. Modric. Real Madrid given the throw here. We're going to see a change here for Real Madrid. He's looking for the cross. Eden Hazard. Modric. Hazard. The assistant has raised the flag for offside. Verratti. Eden Hazard. Marcelo. A substitute for Paris Saint Germain.
Well, Real, as usual, controlling possession today, but you can see the manager down there is less than happy. Obviously his team's losing, that's bad enough, but no real sign so far that they're going to get back into this, because they're just not able to find a way through that defence and make the keeper work.
Still a chance in there off the goalkeeper. Marcelo. A good run towards the near post. It's come off the goalkeeper, still in play. Well, the team that are in front are going to try and keep in front with a change here. A player being brought on from the bench. Carvajal. Rafael Varane. Toni Kroos. Karim Benzema. Kroos, promising forward play from them again. Trying too hard, really, and losing the ball because of it. Time ticking on. Just over 15 minutes to go. Great ball. This is how they love to play on the break. Well, the keeper's done well to keep that one out. Benzema. Karim Benzema. Neymar. Do need to concentrate right to the final whistle in matches such as these, high-quality games. Paris Saint Germain will be surely aiming to do that, just to protect their lead until they get across the finishing line. Now they can switch the play here. Modric. Neymar. Verratti. We have a substitution coming up, and it's coming up for Real Madrid. Football is a passing game, and goodness me, they're passing the ball around the opposition beautifully here.
Yeah, there's been a good tempo to it, good movement off the ball, and they've made the opposition work really hard.
It's going to go right to the wire here with this one-goal lead, and the supporters, well, they've upped their game, there's no question about that. Just listen to them.
Yeah, they've been brilliant, but it's been a close game, and you wouldn't put it past the visitors to nick a goal back.
Cavani. This should wrap it up. And the ball's in. It's a goal. It's his third goal. It's a hat-trick today. He's really been on form.
Well, you have to say he's been unplayable today, Martin. What a performance. Fine finishing.
A good look here, again, by the replay of the goal. Just a reminder, 3-1 it is now, the scoreline. Saw the direction of the pass. Referee's had a good look and decided, from what he's seen from this period of play, to add on 3 minutes. Here's Casemiro. Modric. And that is the end. It's all over.